Hey, Animator 102 here, doing a review today on the Victorinox Champ. I've only just got it in the post now, so it's practically an unboxing and a review. So let's get it open. Rip it open. Victorinox user's guide here. Go over this. I want to go over it giantly. I mean, folds open pretty big. So mentions tools quite a bit. So scissors and probably half of the other stuff. Pretty cool. On the other side, there's like a dozen more tools anyway, so. Fold that up. Hold on. The hell do you fold it up? There. Right there. Victorinox Champ. Pretty hefty, pretty thick. Okay, I'll go off with the mini blade first. Pretty small. I mean, razor sharp. I mean, just got it, so it's brand new and never been used, and they're like razor blade, ready to razor cut, you know. So large blade, 2.5 inches. Victorinox Swiss made stainless. Large blade, pretty cool. Nail file, nail cleaner. Works pretty well. I barely have any nails. But like, there. Saw, bloody sharp, razor sharp. That is really sharp. I think that's 2.9 inches. Yep. Alright. Fish scaler, ruler. I think that's like to measure your fish, but if you caught it like that, it'd be a pretty small fish. There's scissors next. Pretty cool. Alright. Pliers, like they're tiny pliers. I guess they're just to like, they're not that powerful. Couldn't do much, but I think there's like a crimper. There, it's pretty cool. Phillips screwdriver with a half stop. So it's like me, like that. Oh, magnifying glass. Use this. There, yeah. You can see the Victorinox Swiss made stainless there. Goes on. Alright. A bottle opener. Like that. Wire stripper, 5mm screwdriver. Goes out like that. Can opener. Go like that. 2mm screwdriver. That's it. On this side, corkscrew. That's an eyeglass bit there. Pretty good. Alright, put that in. needle comes out from this bit here. Pretty cool. I mean, you can most Swiss Army knives they have the needle hole, but they don't have the needle there. So you can put that in other Swiss Army knives. Anyway, so chisel. See the red light there? Chisel. That's what it can do, just easily. Pretty good. So, that's good. Just vandalize my house. Background noise, it's the Hoover. So, and there might be a small screwdriver or something. I don't know, can you put in the comments box what the hell this is? I might sound dumb saying that, but I don't know what it is. Get that off now. Sorry about the vacuum noise again. Parcel hook for newspapers. If you was carrying a bunch of newspapers and you had to carry the string around it, I'd mainly use this for like carrier bags. Well, I do on my huntsman anyway. Carrier bags and like fishing nets. Hardest one to get out of my huntsman is this anyway, so hold on, bear with me. There, it's like a sewing eye, it's a scoop there. The vacuum's off now anyway, so it's good. Alright, toothpick. Oh, the vacuum's back on. Ballpoint pen. Sorry, I don't really. Oh, when you want it to work, it doesn't. That's right. Just doing it on the back here. There. If it works. Tweezers. Pretty sharp. Good for getting splinters out. So it's pretty good. Lanyard, keyring thing, there, and of course, on every Swiss Army knife there's a Victorinox logo, unless you got a fake. Alright, this is Animator 102, out, so bye.